the Blow of A9, and today I am building the goat gun M16A1. So it took me a while to get the front handguards on, but thanks to a tutorial video, yes, I had to watch one if you're wondering, I managed to get them. And boy, was it a pain. But anyways, we just whip out the instructions. Right. Place A, B. Load non-firing rounds G into magazine F. If you want to know, this is the magazine, and if I can get it out, these are the bullets. And if you're wondering, why are they so small? They're fake. They aren't even real. Well, you guys never had to use your teeth for a bullet? Find one. And boom. Then you just like that. What happens if I... Ooh, that's nice. Anyways, now I gotta place the stock, this, onto the end, and basically this is it. Pew, pew, pew. Right. But I'm gonna do the full build. Alright, I have to attach this, get close to the camera, this to it somehow. I think like, no. Is that right? Think I got it, but now I'm just gonna have to pull it out. So we got this, which I think, oh, alright, like this. E is the screwdriver it comes with. So, alright, got the screw. I have to got that. Alright. Right time. And then just screw it in. Alright. I just finish. And boom. Let me just slap this on. And everyone, you have the miniature M16A1 from Goat Guns. So this is the Blood Wolf signing out.